In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover images from an old website using the Wayback Machine. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to access images from a website that no longer exists, or if you need to retrieve older versions of images for historical records or personal archives. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wayback Machine website, which can be found at web.archive.org. The Wayback Machine is an internet archive that captures and stores snapshots of web pages over time. Once you are on the home page, you'll find a search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. This is where you can enter the URL of the website you want to examine. For this example, let's say you want to recover images from the website tonyflorida.com. Type the URL https://tonyflorida.com into the search bar and press Enter, or click the Browse History button to initiate the search. The Wayback Machine will present you with a timeline showcasing the years for which it has archives of the website. Click on the URL listed below the search bar to view the captured pages for that particular website. Once you've clicked on the URL, the Wayback Machine will display a calendar overview of snapshots it has taken. This calendar shows you all the archived versions of the site throughout the years. Identify the date you believe contains the images you're interested in. If you have a specific date in mind, you can directly select it on the calendar. Otherwise, you might want to explore various dates to see how the website has evolved and note any images that have been archived. After selecting a date, the Wayback Machine will load the version of the website from that day. Browse through the website as you would on a live site. Once you identify an image you wish to recover, you can save it to your computer. Simply right-click on the image, and from the context menu that appears, select Save Image As. Choose your preferred location on your computer to save the file, and confirm by clicking on Save. Repeat this process for any additional images you'd like to recover. Remember, while the Wayback Machine is a powerful tool for accessing archival images and web pages, not every snapshot includes every element of the original site, such as certain multimedia or interactive content. However, it offers an invaluable resource for retrieving lost content and preserving web history. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Enjoy exploring the digital archives.